guys, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Ada here. And today you already know from the thumbnail what we are about to do. If you are new to this channel and you're seeing this face for the first time and you're hearing this voice for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So today we are going to be doing this fox eye look. I don't know, but I think I would like to call it like the cat eye look. Saw this trending on YouTube and I was like, of course, why not? Let's jump into this makeup look. So let's just get started. If you guys want to see how I did this jumbo knotless braid on myself, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll definitely post that video up for you guys. So guys, this is a very simple look. It's more like a very nude makeup. It's like a very simple look. So I'm going to be starting out with my brows first. I'm going to be doing my brows. This is my Jordana brow pencil, and this is my Morphe angle brush, like the two-sided angle brush. It has this pulley and then the angle brush. So I'm going to be starting out with my brows first. So this look is all about, getting the cat eye, getting the cat eye thing. So you will definitely be more careful on how you want your brows to go. Instead of your brows coming, like the normal way down, you just make it a little bit up that way, like a little bit high. So after that, I am going in with this ColourPop concealer. I'll be using this to, highlight my brows. So I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow, this concealer all over my lid, and then blending everything out. I'll be using this concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I don't want, this is more like a very natural beat, so I do not want it to be too much, So I'll be using this as my eyeshadow base. I am so excited. Then I'm blending it with my beauty blender. So I am done with my brows and we are going to go ahead with the eyeshadow, and I'll be using this James Charles palette. I'll try to use the brown colors in it. I'll be using the brown colors in it. I have to choose like a very light brown and then a little bit darker brown, dark brown shade. So that is what I'll be using right here. I'll be using this color right here. So you still want it to keep going like up. I'll have to like give this guideline right here. Look at that brush size. Yeah, this will do a good job. So I'll be going in with this shade right here. So I'm trying to make everything blend, so I'm going in with the previous shade that I had, just to place it a little bit here. So now I'll be doing the inner corner of my eye. So you need something precise, more like you're trying to line your eyes, with a darker shade. I'll be using there's another darker shade of brown I'm seeing here. I think I'll be going in with that for my inner eye, this particular shade right here. So you want it to be so like precise but not showing too much. So I'm going in with this particular brush. This is the Morphe N5 08 brush. So this will help me line my inner eye correct properly. Ooh, okay. So now that I am done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. So guys, I am done with my lashes, and funny enough, I am liking the way the look is coming out. So I'll go ahead to highlight and contour my face, and then of course go ahead with the rest of the makeup. So let's just keep moving. I love that this is actually a very quick look, and you know, it's quick, it's beautiful, but it still looks glam. So I'm going ahead with this ColourPop concealer to highlight my face. So after that, I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340. Ooh, I am loving this. Like, you guys, look at that. I am totally loving this. I love the way my eyes look. I really, really love it. Like, I am not even done and the makeup is already popping. Like, look at that. I love my eyes. Like, yeah. I want to make sure, I always tell people the key to a good makeup application is blending. Try as much as possible, try as much as you can to, you know, blend everything properly. That is the key to a good makeup. Blend, blend, blend. I can't even say that enough. Blend, blend it, blend it, blend it. Mm. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. So now let me put on my setting powder. I just love how simple this makeup look is. Like, it's not even, it's glamorous and still simple. It's not, you don't even need to do too much for this makeup. I just love that. Like, do that a little bit. Oh, before I forget, this is the Airspun setting powder. If you haven't checked a video where I did my drugstore makeup tutorial, check that video. I'll leave everything in the description box so you can go through my channel. I have so many amazing content and so many makeup tutorials, so you can go there and see it. I used all drugstore products. I always say you don't have to break a bank to look good, to do your makeup and all that, so you can check that video out. And if you're here watching, you haven't subscribed, please, please, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. I'll be happy to have you here. You're welcome to my channel. So while I wait for this to set, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. This is my lip pencil. I'm going to line my lips with this. This is the Melanie powder. So I'm going to use that to brush all this off. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. contour palette to contour my nose. So after that, I go back in with my Milani powder, and I just take a little bit and, you know, blend that, more like set it up. So now I can now go ahead and apply my lip gloss. Then I am going to go ahead with this e.l.f. blush palette. I'm going to be using this Milani Fantastic bronzer. So So guys, if you're here and you've gotten to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload and you're always notified whenever I post any new video. And then we are going to go ahead and use my, you already know this is my holy grail, like this is the Smashbox primer, like you guys. So I'm going to be spraying that all over. So hey guys, this is the finished look. I totally enjoyed doing this. I totally enjoyed doing this thing. It's just like a very simple look. It's very simple and not time consuming at all. This is the simplest makeup look I have ever done. This is the fastest makeup look I have ever done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you get notified when next I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to leave your comment down there in the comment section, as I'll be leaving everything that I use for this makeup look in the description box down below. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any other upload, and also of course share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.